accounts on the same computer. So as you can see right now, this is my AdSense account, and it is AdSense for YouTube. The big question is it possible for someone to have multiple AdSense accounts on the same computer? Yes, it is very possible. So right now, the what you need to do is either you create different profile with different browser, just like this. As you can see, you can click on add, and you can also create a new profile for a different AdSense account, or you can make use of a different browser entirely. So right now, let me walk you guys through my second AdSense account. So right now, this is the first AdSense account. Let me minimize the browser, and to my desktop screen, let me click on Google Chrome. Right now, this is a second AdSense account I'll be opening on this browser. I'll click on AdSense. I already saved it to my home page. So you can see the previous one I was having $11. Then you see this one. So let me click on sign in right now. So now this is my second AdSense account, and I'm having $41 inside this account. So it is totally possible for you to have more than one AdSense account on the same computer. Like I said earlier, you can make use of a different browser, or you can create profile on the same browser, and it is totally free. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful to you. Thank you.